Hello dear friends, in this video, law teacher presents before you some important legal maxims. Legal maxims are recognized principles of law or policies which help courts to apply the existing laws in a just, fair and reasonable manner. It will assist the courts in deciding different legal issues before it. Here are some of the legal maxims and their application by courts. Ab initio. The maxim ab initio means from the beginning. In law it means from the beginning of the case or from the instance of the act. The maxim is used in an agreement, a law, a deed, marriage, etc. It means void from the very beginning it was done or initiated. When a matter is said to be void ab initio, it means that the thing was never created or is void from the beginning. Now let us see some of the case laws in which the maxim ab initio was used. Delhi Development Authority versus Kocha Construction Work and others. In this case, the court held that the proceedings were ab initio defective as they could not have been instituted since the firm in whose name the proceedings were instituted was not registered at the date of institution of the proceedings. Shivakumar versus Union of India and others. Void is ab initio, a nullity is inoperative, and a person cannot claim the land or declaration once no title has been conferred upon him to claim that the land should be given back to him. Second legal maxim is actionable per se. The phrase actionable per se means the very act is punishable and no proof of damage is required. A tort is actionable only because it happened. In such cases, the plaintiff need not prove that he suffered any damages in order to have a cause of action. The case law related to this maxim is Ashby versus White. The plaintiff was a legally qualified voter. The defendant, who was the returning officer, wrongfully refused to register the vote of the plaintiff. But the candidate for whom the vote was tendered was elected and no loss was suffered by the rejection of the vote. Even then, the defendant was held liable due to the reason that he deprived the plaintiff of his legal right to vote. In this case, the court referred to the maxim actionable per se. The next important legal maxim is actio personalis moritur cum persona. This Latin maxim means a personal right of action dies with the person. According to this principle, the death of either of the party to a personal duty takes away all remedy and destroys the duty. The case in regard to this maxim is Gujarat State Road Transport Corporation Ahmedabad versus Ramanbhai Prabhatbhai. In this case, a boy aged 14 years died due to negligence on the part of the petitioner's driver. The legal representatives of the deceased boy filed suit claiming compensation. The Motor Accident Claim Tribunal passed an award of compensation. This was affirmed by the High Court and by the Supreme Court. The court held the contention that the right of personal action dies with a person is no more recognized rule of law. Hence, the corporation is liable to pay compensation to the deceased brother. Hope you all understood the three maxims discussed here. Law teacher will come with new maxims in the next video. If you find this channel useful, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.